Hello everyone, meteorologist Random Riffle from our KNLP News 2 Severe Weather Center. I'm here tracking severe thunderstorms throughout the evening. It is a weather alert day today. Let's get a closer look here in the Tri-Cities though, of what is going on. We did have a severe thunderstorm warning in Cherry County earlier. That has since weakened. Now we have a special weather statement that's moving out of Lincoln County into Dawson County right now. Let's zoom in onto that storm. It's moving through Gothenburg right now. Moving through Lexington. Wouldn't be surprised if Lexington gets added to this soon. Looks like actually that special weather statement just expired. But this is a view what is going on right now. I have severe thunderstorm warning just outside our area. I mentioned that severe thunderstorm warning for Cherry County earlier. These storms are moving in. I think we do have some. Oh yeah, we do. Yes, we do. We're gonna watch that camera and see what. This is what's going on on this camera right here. This is the closest camera I can see. Well, I can view. Excuse me. Take a look at the velocity. I just wanna see if there's any rotation in one of these storms. Because there has been some rotation in some of these storms. There's no rotation right there. They're measuring a 41 mile an hour wind gust right there. We're going to measure some wind. On my velocity. Okay. 22 mile an hour winds near Broken Bow. We go up here. 40 mile an hour winds. And also this is an area that could possibly go into a severe thunderstorm watch. 20% chance of it. Hail up to 1.25 inches. I think the hail threat is 0 at this point. But the one threat is there though. Taking a look at the outlook through the rest of the night tonight. They have just removed that slight risk that was in place in North Platte, but we are in a marginal risk now in the Tri-Cities. But if I zoom out here into Ohio, Indiana, this is an area to be somewhat to watch for some maybe tornadoes. Tornadoes right there. And that storm right there was tornado warned. But yeah. I don't know where my pointer went, but it is what it is. We don't have our 10-day forecast, sadly, but let's move on to Futurecast now. Storms will possibly move through the Tri-Cities. Now our regional view. Storms will push out of Ohio and all that. Alright. I don't have any other updates on mine. Send it to your break. Alright, there's no other break. There's no other warnings or anything. So what we're gonna do, please stay tuned to KNOP News 2 Severe Weather Center. I will sure to cut in. Is that a warning? No, it ain't. I will be sure to cut in if necessarily, if we get a severe thunderstorm warning and all that. But right now, as of right now, I think we'll send it to break at this time. We are still under a weather alert day until 10 p.m. this evening for the possibility of dangerous heat. I will put severe storms now, as I think these will push through the Tri-Cities. Oh, no, there's really not a big threat, so we'll just do dangerous heat, but make sure to stay tuned to KNOP. I'll be on if necessary, but we'll send it to break, everyone.